seniors eat this before sleep to repair your eyes and vision during sleep. As we age, one of the first things we notice is that our eyes aren't what they used to be. Reading becomes harder. Driving at night feels uncomfortable. And sometimes, you wake up with your eyes feeling dry, heavy, or blurry, even after a full night's rest. But what if I told you that your eyes could actually repair themselves while you sleep, and that there are specific foods, simple, natural foods, that can trigger that repair process, helping restore clarity, moisture, and sharpness to your vision overnight? You see, your eyes are not static. They're living tissue, constantly renewing themselves, but only if they have the right nutrients, especially during the night, when your body goes into deep restoration mode. In today's video, we'll uncover 8 powerful bedtime foods that nourish your eyes from within while you rest. Eat these before sleep, and you'll be giving your body exactly what it needs to heal your eyes naturally, reduce dryness and fatigue, and even improve your night vision as the days go by. So grab a cup of warm water, sit back, and let's dive into the nighttime miracle your eyes have been waiting for. Number 1. Sweet potatoes, the nighttime vitamin A powerhouse. Let's start with one of the most underrated superfoods for your eyes, sweet potatoes. This humble root is a treasure chest of beta-carotene, the nutrient your body converts into vitamin A, the same vitamin your retinas depend on to see clearly in low light. When you eat sweet potatoes before bed, your body uses the quiet hours of sleep to rebuild the light-sensitive cells in your eyes. The rods and cones that allow you to see in the dark. In other words, your dinner can literally help you see better tomorrow morning. Sweet potatoes also contain anthocyanins, special antioxidants that protect your retina from oxidative stress and dryness, 2 of the biggest causes of vision decline after 60. Try this simple trick. Bake or steam 1 small sweet potato in the evening. Drizzle it with a few drops of olive oil, and enjoy it as a warm, calming bedtime snack. The natural carbohydrates help your brain release serotonin, helping you fall asleep, while the beta-carotene works quietly to restore your eye health from the inside out. Number 2. Salmon, fuel for retinal repair. Next up, the king of omega-3s, salmon. Your retina is made up of more than 50% fat, and one particular fat, DHA, plays a crucial role in maintaining its structure and function. DHA, found abundantly in salmon, supports tear production, reduces eye dryness, and helps rebuild the delicate membranes of your photoreceptor cells. When you consume omega-3s before bed, your body uses them overnight to lubricate and repair your eyes. If you often wake up with gritty, irritated eyes, or you notice that your vision feels cloudy in the morning, your body might be craving these healthy fats. A small piece of grilled salmon or even a tablespoon of omega-3 fish oil taken with dinner can help nourish your eyes deeply as you sleep. For vegetarians, alternatives like chia seeds or flaxseed oil also provide alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which your body partially converts into DHA. This isn't just about sharper vision. It's about keeping your eyes moist, clear, and comfortable, especially as you age. Number 3. Goji berries, the ancient eye tonic. In traditional Chinese medicine, goji berries have been used for over 2,000 years to improve eyesight and slow aging. Modern science now confirms why. Goji berries are loaded with zeaxanthin, one of the 2 critical carotenoids that protect your retina from blue light and UV damage. Zeaxanthin acts like an internal sunscreen for your eyes, shielding them from daily wear and tear. When you eat goji berries before sleep, their antioxidants go to work during your body's natural repair cycle, rebuilding damaged retinal cells, enhancing moisture, and improving blood flow to your optic nerve. Studies show that older adults who consume goji berries regularly have higher macular pigment density, meaning their eyes literally have more protection against degeneration. A small handful of dried goji berries or a warm cup of goji tea before bed can be a soothing, eye-healing ritual. Just soak a tablespoon of berries in warm water for 10 minutes, sip the liquid, and eat the softened berries. It's like sending a team of repair workers into your eyes every night. Number 4. Raw cacao, the delicious vision protector. Now this one will make you smile. Raw cacao, the pure form of chocolate before it's processed. It's rich in flavonoids, which are natural compounds that boost blood flow to the retina and optic nerve. Better blood flow means more oxygen, more nutrients, and faster healing for tired or strained eyes. Cacao also contains magnesium and zinc, minerals that help reduce inflammation in eye tissues and protect against oxidative damage caused by blue light exposure and aging. Just a small piece of dark chocolate made from at least 80% cacao, or a teaspoon of raw cacao powder stirred into warm milk before bed can help your eyes recover overnight. It's not just a treat, it's therapy for your vision. And as your body rests, those flavonoids circulate through your blood vessels, helping to restore the sparkle and clarity that age slowly steals away. Number 5. Egg yolks, the golden shield for aging eyes. For years, many people avoided eggs because of cholesterol fears. But here's the truth. The yolk is one of the best foods for your eyes. Egg yolks are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, the same antioxidants found in your retina. They act like built-in sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light and protecting the macula, the tiny part of your eye responsible for sharp central vision. When you eat an egg yolk before sleep, especially a soft-boiled or poached one, your body absorbs these carotenoids overnight, using them to repair and protect retinal cells. Egg yolks also provide vitamin A, choline, and healthy fats, all crucial for producing tears and maintaining smooth, clear vision. Studies show that seniors who eat eggs regularly have a lower risk of macular degeneration and report less eye dryness. So instead of fearing eggs, think of them as golden shields for your eyes. Cook them gently, never at high heat, and pair them with leafy greens like spinach or kale for even better absorption. A soft-boiled egg with a few steamed greens before bed? That's a simple, powerful vision-healing meal. Number 6. Bilberries, the night vision secret of World War II pilots. During World War II, British pilots were known to eat bilberry jam before their nighttime missions, and they swore it helped them see better in the dark. Later research confirmed why. Bilberries are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that strengthen capillaries and improve retinal blood flow. This means your eyes get more oxygen and nutrients, helping them recover from strain, dryness, and oxidative stress. When consumed before bed, bilberries help your eyes relax and repair after a long day, so you wake up with less irritation and sharper vision. You can eat them fresh, dried, or brewed into tea. Even a small serving each evening can help maintain strong, healthy vision, especially as you age. If you can't find bilberries, don't worry. Blueberries and black currants are fantastic alternatives, offering similar benefits. Remember, consistency is key. Over time, these tiny berries can help restore night vision and protect against age-related decline. Number 7. Saffron, the golden spice that revives vision. Now for one of the most fascinating foods on this list, saffron. This golden spice isn't just a luxury ingredient. It's a scientifically proven vision enhancer. Saffron contains compounds called crocin and quercetin, which directly support the retina's photoreceptor cells, the very cells responsible for detecting light and color. Clinical studies show that saffron can improve vision clarity, color contrast, and overall retinal function, even in seniors with early signs of macular degeneration. When you drink saffron milk before bed, these compounds boost oxygen flow to your retina, helping cells detoxify and regenerate while you sleep. To make it, simply steep 2 to 3 strands of saffron in warm milk for 10 minutes. Add a pinch of turmeric or honey and sip slowly before bed. This soothing golden drink not only calms your nerves, but also sends healing nutrients straight to your eyes. Over time, saffron can help restore the brightness and vibrancy of your vision, letting you see the world with clarity once again. Number 8. The perfect nighttime eye healing routine. Now that you know these foods, let's put it all together. Your eyes don't need expensive supplements or risky procedures. They just need real nourishment and consistent rest. Here's your simple nighttime eye repair ritual. Step 1. Wind down gently. About an hour before bed, dim your lights and avoid screens. This signals your body to produce melatonin, essential for deep, healing sleep. Step 2. Eat or drink one eye-healing food. Pick one of the 8 foods each night. Maybe sweet potato today, saffron milk tomorrow, and goji berries the next. Each provides nutrients your eyes crave for overnight renewal. Step 3. Stay hydrated. A small glass of warm water before bed helps flush toxins and keeps your eyes moist through the night. Step 4. Sleep deep. During deep sleep, your body cleans out damaged proteins and rebuilds eye tissue. That's when the magic happens. Try this for just 10 days and notice how your eyes feel when you wake. Less strain, less dryness, more clarity. You may even find colors appear brighter, your focus sharper, and your energy lighter. Remember this, aging doesn't mean losing your sight. Your eyes have a natural ability to heal, but only if you give them what they need. Each of these foods is a gift from nature, created to protect your vision and renew your body. So tonight, before you close your eyes, ask yourself, have I fed them what they deserve? Because the small choices you make before sleep determine how clearly you'll see the world tomorrow. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods will you try first tonight? Sweet potatoes, saffron milk, or maybe those delicious bilberries? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to take their first step toward better vision too. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because here at Feel Fresh 360, we believe your best years are not behind you. They're just beginning.